So I am here with the last three questions of exercise 2C. Question number 10, complete and balance the following reactions. NaCl aqueous plus AgNO3 aqueous. It will give you, here it is. Yes, NaCl aqueous and AgNO3 aqueous, double decomposition precipitation hai. It will give you AgCl. Within bracket you can write solid, or you can also write downward arrow for showing the formation of precipitate. AgClS solid plus NaNO3 aqueous. Next is lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. Again double decomposition will give lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Copper carbonate on heating, metal carbonates on heating gives metal oxide, copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Then lead nitrate on heating gives you the metallic oxide, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Then ammonia, when it is oxidized or burns in presence of platinum as a catalyst, it will give you nitric oxide and water vapor. Ammonia will get oxidized in platinum with platinum to give nitric oxide and water vapor. Now coming to next question number 11. What do you observe when lead nitrate is heated? So you can write down, many times you have gone through this equation, decomposition of lead nitrate. So you can write here, on heating lead nitrate decompose to give reddish brown nitrogen dioxide gas, a colorless odorless gas oxygen which reglows the burning splinter, and yellow residue of lead monoxide will left behind. Okay, this is for part A, 11 part A. Then B, what do you observe when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight? When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it will decompose to give greyish metal silver and greenish yellow gas chlorine is evolved. Then C, hydrogen peroxide is exposed to sunlight. When hydrogen peroxide is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes to give water and colorless odorless oxygen gas evolves which reglows the burning splinter. Then H2S gas is passed through copper sulfate solution. When H2S gas is passed through blue copper sulfate, it will give black precipitate of copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. Okay, black precipitate of copper sulfide. Then E, barium chloride is added to sodium sulfate solution. When barium chloride is added to sodium sulfate, white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed with the aqueous sodium chloride solution. Okay, white precipitate of barium sulfate will form with aqueous sodium chloride solution. Then F, water is added to quicklime. When water is added to quicklime, a vigorous and exothermic reaction takes place and heat is evolved with the formation of calcium hydroxide within bracket slaked lime. CaOH whole twice होता है ना, slaked lime, that is formed with a vigorous and exothermic reaction. A large amount of heat is also evolved. Then coming to last question, sodium chloride solution is added to silver nitrate. बहुत बार आपने किया है. When sodium chloride solution is added to silver nitrate solution, white precipitate of silver chloride is formed with aqueous sodium nitrate. Okay, now coming to last question number 11. Name a carbonate which does not decompose on heating. Sodium and potassium carbonate, they are stable to heat. So your answer will be either sodium carbonate or potassium carbonate. A nitrate which produces oxygen as the only gas. मैंने उस समय ही बताया था. The top two metal nitrate, sodium and potassium nitrate, on heating they will not evolve NO2. However, they will decompose to give their nitrites and oxygen. तो यहाँ पे भी आंसर होगा sodium nitrate और potassium nitrate. Then coming to C, a compound which produces carbon dioxide on heating. CO2 कब मिलता है? When a carbonates decompose. So you can write any metal carbonate except sodium and potassium. So you can write calcium carbonate, you can write copper carbonate, you can write any metal carbonate between calcium and copper. Okay. Then name a nitrate which produces brown gas on heating. Brown gas मैंने बताया था ना, it is nitrogen dioxide gas. तो कोई भी मेटल नाइट्रेट कैल्शियम से लेके कॉपर तक जब डिकम्पोज होगा देन इट विल डेफिनेटली गिव ब्राउन और नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. एंड सिल्वर नाइट्रेट ऑल्सो गिव्स NO2. So you can write any example from calcium nitrate to silver nitrate. Okay, so here we have finished exercise 2C. Now soon first I will give you some revision exercises to revise your chapter 1, then I will start taking your test. Okay, so complete your exercise, go through the videos again for chapter 1 and be prepared for the revision question, revision exercise, and then prepare for the test.